2, 1.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Sierra. I wanted to show you guys some modifications for the plank challenge today. You don't have to do a 2-minute sustained plank. I know that could be really challenging, or maybe some of you guys have never done a plank before, and that's totally okay. So today I'm going to show you some modifications. The whole goal is that you do 2 minutes of planking. So maybe you do 30 seconds, or maybe you do 10 seconds and then take a break and work your way up to getting towards a total of 2 minutes. So first, if you're doing a standard plank, what you're going to do is you're going to be down on your hands and on your feet. You want to make sure that your shoulders are directly over your hands. Okay, so this is option 1 of the plank. You'll notice when I'm doing this, my body is all parallel, my butt is down, okay, and I'm not tucking my neck in or holding my neck up, okay. The second option is to do the plank on your forearms. Very similar. You want to make sure your shoulders are over your elbows, and again, notice how my whole spine is parallel. If that's too challenging, you can do it on your knees. So you could have your knees down and be in the plank position. If you pick your feet up, that'll be more challenging as well. Or if you need to or want to, you can do it on your forearms. The main goal of doing the plank is to make sure that you're tightening and contracting the entire frame of your body, especially the core. Now, some of you might say, I can't get down on the ground, or that's definitely too challenging for me. You can always do it on an elevated surface. So this is just my ottoman. So if you're going to do it on an elevated surface, again, this is making it less challenging, but also you're still doing the same thing. You're contracting all of those muscles. So you'll notice that same thing, my elbows and my shoulders and my wrists are directly in line. Now, if you don't have an ottoman, you can do it on a chair. You could also do it leaning onto your kitchen counter or something sturdy. But again, just make sure that the surface is sturdy. You notice I have my ottoman pushed up against my couch, so it's not going to slide when I'm doing that. So again, today's challenge for day number 7 is to make sure that you get in 2 minutes of planking and do your crunches. Make sure you comment, I did it, here on YouTube or on Facebook or on Instagram, wherever you're following me. Hope everyone has a great Sunday. Bye.